Kia ora te whānau. Today we're going to be talking about the ng sound in te reo Māori. Here are some tips. Ng sound is at the back of the throat. In English, the ng sound exists in words such as singer. It is not the ng sound in finger. Notice when you say the word finger, you emphasize a lot on the g sound. We don't want that. What we want is the G sound at the back of the throat. Ng. Singer. Ng. Let's do some examples. First up. Waitangi. Waitangi. Wai-ta-ngi. Waitangi. It is not waitangi. It is not waitangi. Next, maunga. Maunga. Mau-nga. Maunga. Ngeru. Ngeru. Nge-ru. Ngeru. Next, ngutsu. 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 Now next one's a little bit tricky. Kikorangi. Kikorangi. Ki-ko-ra-ngi. Kikorangi. Kikorangi. The reason why it's a little bit difficult is because you have the R sound here. Then straight away you have the ng sound. So it is pronounced kikorangi. Lastly, ngongo. 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 I hope you learned something new today. Kia kaha te reo Māori, and ka kite anō.